Now, you guys can actually see on my screen right here, it says you've aced the Digital Garage. And outstanding, Franklin, you've completed every single lesson in the Digital Garage library. Now, this is exactly what got my online journey started. This is my certificate from Google for completing their digital marketing program. And you can see here, let's not forget the date, this is 2017. I'm going to expose you guys to what I did, how I actually got started, and how you can also get started with learning digital marketing and scaling to earning over $200,000 from the online space for yourself. Okay, so watch this video to the end. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can learn digital marketing for free using this website I'm going to show you guys right now that is directly from Google. Yes, so if you're basically here, you'll be asking, oh Franklin, I want to learn online marketing, I want to learn how to make money in the online space, I want to learn this, I want to learn that, I want to learn digital marketing. That is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this particular video today. And I'm going to really say that about 5 years ago, I took a program on digital marketing that totally changed my life. And this is the program from Google. This particular program right here was one that really helped me get through my journey. And as of right now, I have done over $100,000 from that one single program that I actually started up with. And it took me just less than 72 hours to finish the program and also get a certificate. I've gotten 95 jobs with several companies, and currently I work on my own, living the life of freedom as a digital nomad. So you guys can actually see on my screen right here right now. This is it here, and you can see the date. This is 7th of November 2017, right? And this is actually the mail. You've completed every single lesson in the Digital Garage Library. We have to hand it to you, and I can click to get my certificate. But for some reason, this particular link is no longer available for me to get my certificate right now. If not, I would have actually shown you guys. Yes. All right. So if you're looking at getting started with learning anything online, especially when it comes to digital marketing, especially with knowledge from Google itself, then the best bet you can actually get started with right now is this program called the Google Digital Garage Program. And you can see here, this is the Google Digital Garage from my screen. And inside of this particular program, you get to learn the fundamentals of everything that you basically need to get started and scale as a digital marketer. So you can see here, from improving your online business security to fundamentals of digital marketing to understanding basics of code to business, get your business online, build your confidence and self-promotion, land your next job, make sure your customer finds you online, and a whole lot. But of all of this here, I think this one is one that has a certificate. Okay, so if you're actually this person that is very keen about certificate, then you can easily go ahead and get access to this program. So this is the fundamental of digital marketing. And this particular program is a 40-hour class. You get to take the class for over 40 hours, right? And when you are done with taking the class, you can see the different modules of the class. And once you are done with taking the class, you can actually go ahead and take the assessment. And once you take the assessment and you pass, yes, you have to pass, right? There's actually this mark that you have to pass, and then you get the certificate right inside of your email, and you can go ahead and download it. I've used this to secure a lot of online jobs. I've used it to secure my 9-to-5 job back then. Although now I no longer use certificates for anything because, come on, like I'm doing all of this myself, like basically. Yeah, so this is it, guys. For those of us that want to get started with coding, you can actually start with understanding the business of coding at this particular space. So you can actually see here intro to code, and once you're here, I can sign in with Google, and I would sign in with Google right now. And yeah, so once I sign in with Google, I can click on get started, and once I click on get started right away, it is going to take me over to the first lesson. So you guys can see the first lesson right here. So there is already a teacher that is ready to teach you, right? So you can actually go ahead and watch every of this step by step till the next. You can go over to the next activity, to the next one, and the next one, and the next one, till when you're done and you've mastered that particular area of learning. Okay, the major reason why I'm actually doing this is to make sure that everybody that is actually watching my content on my channel here are able to up their skills, and they can actually get more opportunities from the internet, right? You can get more opportunities from the online space. There is a whole lot. This is a whole new world on its own, and the only way you can actually see more better opportunities is when you up your skill, right? You actually need to up your skill. You need to learn something new, something in vogue, something that will make me want to hire you, something that will actually keep you in the market, okay? So this is it, guys. If you love this video, I want you to go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now and subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. Okay, and at the same time, you can actually go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your concerns, your questions. I will definitely reply all of your comments. I have a WhatsApp business community where we have discussions, we share ideas, and at the same time I answer a series of questions as well with this community. So you actually want to be part of us. I'm going to leave the link to the community in the description of this particular video, same as the link to Digital Garage, so you can access it and start taking a series of programs online that would help you to make more from the online space. Okay, so thanks so much, guys, for joining this particular video. I hope this is so much value to you. See you in my next video. Peace.